You can make money while you sleep using the safest cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. In every gold rush, which crypto is a gold rush right now, the people who really make money and what I'm looking for as a business person is being a pickaxe salesman. So providing the tools that make the gold rush happen. So when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto, we have all these Bitcoin ETFs. It looks like Bitcoin is really set up well for the future. And so I'm looking for what tools can I provide that help Bitcoin going forward. So I love Bitcoin mining. And I'm an advisor. And if you're looking for equity in a Bitcoin mining company, Quantum Expeditions is a great option. But today we're going to be looking at a platform where you can make money every day from Bitcoin mining. So what exactly is Bitcoin mining, you might ask? Well, as transactions are being sent on the Bitcoin network, they need computers to process those transactions. I won't get super technical about it. You probably don't care. But essentially, you provide computing power to make the Bitcoin network run, and in return, the Bitcoin algorithm pays you out in Bitcoin. So I like Bitcoin mining better than buying Bitcoin, although I do that also, because when you buy Bitcoin, as soon as you sell it, you're out. But with Bitcoin mining, you are receiving Bitcoin each and every day. So you can buy these complicated computers and house them in your house. I have a few Bitcoin miners downstairs. They're expensive, they break, they're hot, they're loud. New miners come out and then it's like I gotta upgrade. Personally, I regret having miners in my house. It's not something that I would do again. So I'm gonna recommend to you, do not get miners in your house. Unless you're a huge nerd and you wanna research that and mess around with that. But I had Steve from GoMining on my channel last week and I was really impressed with their platform. They let you buy a miner that they host. It's in their location. They pay the electricity. They get the miners set up. They make sure that it's working properly. When it breaks, they fix it. They do all the work. So it becomes completely passive income for you. They've been around for several years, which in the crypto space is, that's golden. The team is all public facing. You can go look at their LinkedIn. No chance of rug pull here. Knock on wood. But I purchased this miner with them. I think it was $1,500 to get it set up. You can see it's got 64 terahash. So that's just how fast it processes transactions on the Bitcoin network. So that's going to result in how many rewards you get. So and they're very transparent. So you can see yesterday, I mined $5.68. So this is a $1,500 machine. I mined $5.68 yesterday. The electricity cost $2.59. They have a small service fee, which obviously they're taking care of maintenance and all that. And that's a pretty small fee. So I'm happy with that. So all in all, made about $3 yesterday. So this is down a little bit because, as you know, we just had the Bitcoin halving, which means the miners receive half the rewards that they did before. And the reason the Bitcoin algorithm does that is because that decreases inflation, which makes the price naturally go up. So I'm producing less Bitcoin. Here's how much I'm receiving daily in Bitcoin. You can see before the halving was getting 0.00005278. And now for the last few days, been getting 0.000038. So it's about cut in half. But the goal of this is that although I'm getting less Bitcoin, the price should go up because now all the miners are getting less Bitcoin. So there's less Bitcoin out there, but there's more people coming in to buy. We got these Bitcoin ETFs. Hong Kong is working on Bitcoin ETFs and really bringing their population into Bitcoin. So as the price of Bitcoin goes up, these rewards will be higher. So at current Bitcoin prices, if I'm making about $3 a day, that means I'm making about $1,000 a year, which on my $1,500 investment means I'm making about 73% APR at current Bitcoin prices. So 73% APR on a solid asset like Bitcoin is not bad. And I do expect the price of Bitcoin to go up going forward. If I was able to get up to $6 a day, if the price of Bitcoin doubled, which some people are saying it could 4x, 5x by the end of the year, I have no idea. Only God knows the future. But at $6 a day, that's $2,200 for the year, which would be 146% APR. So one of the safer passive income opportunities out there right now. So if you're wanting to get involved, you can go, I have a link for you. You just click get started. Then it's going to ask you to create your first miner. So then you get to choose how much terahash do you want. So again, for my first one, I did 64 terahash. You can choose the energy efficiency. So the biggest expense when you're running a miner is the electricity. So if you can get a more energy efficient miner, you're going to make more money, but it's going to cost you more for the machine. So for mine, I did 35 watts. I did just the basic. You can see it costs $1,300 right now, and it's making $3.23 daily or $96 monthly. So you pay $1,300, you make $100 a month, which the historical APR 76%. And past results, they always say this in finance, but past results are not indicative of future performance, but it gives you kind of a rough estimate for what you might be looking at. So if I did a little bit more energy efficient, it costs a bit more, but you produce a bit more. But the APR is actually highest on this one. That's why I chose that. So you could get in at a 1 terahash, 35 watts per terahash. You'd be making $1.48 a month, but it would only cost you $23. So you can get in very cheap. $23 looks like the minimum. Then on the max side of things, they do OTC deals. So if you're wanting to put in 100K or something like that, don't do it through the website, okay? Get in touch with Steve and they'll work something out over the counter. But the max machine you could buy on here costs you $121,000. Again, don't do it on here. Do it OTC. But a 5,000 terahash machine for $122,000, you'd be making $10K a month or $334 a day. So, and once you get your machine set up, you click next. And then I love this. You can pay with credit card. And I love that because a lot of people who want to get into crypto, what keeps them out is, hey, I don't know how to download a DeFi wallet. I don't have any crypto. I don't really know what I'm doing. You don't have to with GoMining. You can pay just with a credit card, or if you're in crypto, you can pay. You can use their token, USDT, Bitcoin, whatever you want. So if you want out, they do have a marketplace so you can sell your NFT. So you could, wait till you get your ROI and then at some point sell your machine. You can upgrade your machine so you can increase the energy efficiency, or you can increase the terahash and then just pay the difference. So this might be something where you start small and then as you're able to grow, you just upgrade to the next machine. It's kind of like compounding. They do have 2 tokens also. They have their governance token, and then they also have their GoMining token. So if you're deep into crypto and you want to get into this, you definitely can. But for most people, I think just the simplicity of getting a Bitcoin miner running for you, seeing exactly how much it's making every day. You get an email each day saying, hey, you made $3 yesterday. It's pretty cool. I love it. So hope this is helpful for you. Please hit like on the way out. Have a great day. Don't forget that God gives us money not to increase the standard of our living, but to increase the standard of our giving. You'll be much happier if you try to achieve financial freedom to take care of others rather than, win Lambo or whatever, the riches that we often go after. Hey, I've opened up 3 membership tiers to become a member of my YouTube channel. So the lowest tier gets you access to the members only videos. So once in a while I have videos that I don't really want to go out to the general public, but just like working through our top 10 projects together as a community. I do those types of live videos about once every other week. So appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day.